All right, second grade, you've made it to the end of another week. I believe this should be the end of week. It should be the end of week 33. I'm sure this week flew by for you guys. If we look at today's date, we see that on our calendar, today is Friday, April 30th, 2021. If we wrote out today's date, then we would write that today is, there we go, today is April 30th, 2021, or 04/30/21. Today is the 148th day of second grade, or day number 148. We see that there is a digit of 1 in the hundreds place, so we will represent that with 1 flat, or one group of 100 ones, to represent the value of 100. We see there is a digit of 4 in the tens place, so we're going to use, or we will represent that digit with 4 rods, or 4 groups of 10 ones, to represent the value of 40. And we see that there is an 8 in the ones place, so we are going to build 6 plus 2 more. Oh, there we go. We are going to build 8 units to represent our 8 ones, or our value of 8. If we look at our 200s chart, we see that we will need a green circle for the number 148, since all the numbers that we've had so far in this column that end with an 8 in the ones place have had a green circle placed on them, meaning that if we continue to evenly skip count by 2s, we will land on the numbers within this column. And today's interesting holidays include Honesty Day, International Jazz Day, National Bubble Tea Day, National Bugs Bunny Day, National Adopt a Shelter Pet Day, National Oatmeal Cookie Day, and National Raisin Day. Happy birthday, Luke! Have a great Friday today, and I hope you are able to have fun and celebrate your birthday today. And last but not least, don't forget, even though I was not with you during your morning meeting today, you are still completing your Friday activities just like any other Friday. By the end of the school day today, you must have completed at least one special area playlist of your choice. You will complete the guidance counseling playlist on the counseling tile made by Ms. Van Zwalek. You will owe me 30 minutes of a math app, whether you want to play on Dreambox, Prodigy, or First in Math, or if you want to use a mix of the 3. And you owe me 30 minutes of a reading app, either on iStation or Epic. Again, you can use a mix of the 2 if you would like to. And remember, I can still see what apps you have been on and for how long. All right, guys, have an awesome rest of your day. Have a fantastic weekend, and I will see you all on Monday morning.